What the fudge? What are you doing? Oh my god! Oh my god! Wow, look at this. I can't believe it.
The 2-week-old unrefrigerated pie. Long ways to drive.